Hey friends! Ready for an amazing animal adventure? We're going from A to Z, so listen close and sing with me. Can you say the animal names? Let's have fun and learn today. Don't forget to like this video if you love animals, okay? A is alligator, snapping wide and strong. B is butterfly, fluttering all day long. C is cat, with soft paws and gentle purr. Purrs. D is dolphin, jumping in the sea with a blur. E is elephant, big ears that flap. F is fox, quick and sly with a fluffy tail wrap. G is giraffe, reaching high in the trees. H is hippo, splashing in the breeze. I is iguana, sunbathing on a stone. J is jaguar, fast and alone. K is kangaroo, hopping with might. L is lion, roaring with all its might. M is monkey, swinging all around. N is nightingale, singing sweet sound. O is owl, hooting in the night. P is penguin, waddling with delight. Q is quail, small bird with a plume. R is rabbit, hopping through the room. S is snake, slithering on the ground. T is tiger, with stripes all around. U is unicorn, magical and bright. V is vulture, soaring in flight. W is wolf, howling at the moon. X is xerus, scampering soon. Y is yak, hairy and strong. Z is zebra, stripes bold and long. Thanks for singing along on our A to Z animal trip. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you